Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our photos on Inshot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Inshot application, and first of all, we can go to this photo section and we can create new project and select a photo you would like to remove the unwanted object from. For example, I'm going to remove object from this photo. Okay, and we're going to overlay this photo with the same photo. We can go to PIP and I'm going to add this photo. Then we can zoom in to fit the screen like this. And we're going to put mask to cover the unwanted object. For example, guys, I'm going to remove this object from my photo. We can click on mask and select the type of the mask. For example, I'm going to go with the circle mask. Then we can resize the mask like this. And you can take another part of the photo to cover the unwanted object. I'm going to take this part because I think this part will be suitable to cover this object. We can click on the check mark, then we can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. You can zoom in or zoom out, it's up to you. Then feel free to rotate it if you need. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. Wait guys. Okay, and now it's done. And to make it more natural, we can adjust the lightness and the contrast. We can go to folder, then select adjust, and I'm going to increase the lightness. Okay, just a little bit, and the contrast, I'm going to reduce it. Okay, and I think it looks perfect. And as you can see guys, that now the unwanted object has been removed from my photo. Then we just need to click on save to save this photo to our gallery. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our photo on Inshot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.